So for that, let's just go and take the values. So if you go down here, we have something called as select. Take new choice resource, select record choice set or picklist choice set. Let's take record choice set. Object will be our task object, right? And here record choice set. Okay, let's give API name has something called as ticket type. Okay, then what are the fields which we have here? Let's take task. Subtype should be equals to text, and now click on done. We hit a snag. We'll do one thing. We can also take this record type for our better understanding. Okay, so now we are done with this one. Okay, so now we have taken ticket type, right? Now we need to choose the values. So select the values, click on new resource, select picklist choice type, give it its name as ticket type. Okay, ticket type something. Now select the object which is task. Now data type will be the picklist. Fields will be from the ticket, right? Sorry, wait, it's not a task object, it's a ticket object. Yes, sorry, it's not a task, it's a ticket object. So the field will be ticket. Sort order, order by field, and then click on it. Yes, now it's done. So now click on, we have created a picklist too. Now click on done. So now what this will do is, the screen lets attendee select which event they want to attend and the ticket type. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to check existing contact. Okay, so for that, now click on the plus. Okay, now here we're gonna take decision. Okay, now label it as does contact exist, contact exist. Okay, now we need to create the outcomes. So let's create let's give an label. So contact exists. Okay, so contact exists if a contact with the same email already exists. Okay, when this contact exists, if the contact with the same email already exists. Okay, so for this we're gonna take